Hello, welcome. My name is Santana Kujawa. I'm currently a graduate student pursuing my master's degree in educational technology, and I'm here wanting to share a little bit about my self directed learning experience. As a special education teacher, I'm currently wanting to transition into leadership roles within professional development and instructional design. So I went ahead and I took this UX fundamentals course offered by Gymnasium. And my goal was to deepen my skills in user centric design. In completing this course, I was able to earn a certificate that reflects my proficiency in UX principles, including user research, wireframing, prototyping. And I feel this really helps strengthen my ability to create effective educational technology solutions. So, this course was structured in a very comprehensive and interactive learning environment, but also was really conducive to a flexible learning experience where I was able to work on my own time, but also complete these projects. And I found it to be very helpful. So here you'll kind of see the syllabus and how it's broken down through a series of videos. There were practice quizzes. There was a forum where we could share our work, receive feedback from students and teaching assistants. And then it finally ended with a final exam, which resulted in earning the certificate. Again, what I really loved about this course was these hands-on assignments and the ability to really work in a real-world, practical context. So throughout the course, I gained valuable insights that I can apply directly to my work within educational technology and in instructional design. So first lesson that I learned was related to UX design principles and how crucial they are in making informed decisions in creating user-centric educational tools. These principles guide the creation of intuitive user-centric experiences that enhance the overall usability and satisfaction. Lesson two was related to how empathy is very vital in the design process. By understanding the diverse needs of users, I can develop more inclusive educational resources, especially for my students with special needs. I developed skills to create personas and scenarios, helping me design with empathy and purpose. Lesson three, I actually had the opportunity to create wireframes and prototypes, and I learned that this was an ongoing process that fosters effective design solutions. This approach can help in developing accessible educational materials. Lesson four, we learned about organizing content effectively to enhance user engagement and learning outcomes, a principle I hope to apply in my developing of instructional content. I developed vital strategies for organizing content in a way that makes sense to users. By structuring information effectively, I can help users find what they're needed or what they're looking for in a really quick and easy way. So lesson five, I learned how to apply UX best practices and ethical considerations within the UX design process. So this really helps guide my approach to creating fair and user-friendly educational technologies. I explored best practices within UX design, learning how to implement design patterns that improve user experience while also avoiding common design pitfalls. Finally, I gained insights into analyzing user behavior and conducting usability tests. These skills enable me to refine the designs based on real user feedback and data-driven insights. I found this to be a key component that was very effective. So here I just wanted to share a quick little walkthrough of my final project for the UX Fundamentals course. This was a restaurant app prototype for vacationers seeking a fancy seafood restaurant nearby. This project was guided by real-world user research. So while I was on vacation, I actually had the opportunity to observe and interview fellow travelers as they booked restaurants. And so I was noting their needs. They were looking for easy navigation, clear menus, and a streamlined reservation process. These insights helped shape my and design decisions and ensure that the app truly met their needs. So the goal is for an intuitive, clean interface, effortless navigation, and things of that nature. And booking the reservation, the goal was to make it streamlined, seamless, and with minimal steps. And one component that I got after the fact, after sharing my prototype with these users, I added this share details via text and email. That was a component that they thought was very important to be able to share their reservations with other travelers. So finally, looking ahead, I'm excited to apply these UX principles in my transition to leadership roles within instructional design and e-learning. My goal is to design and implement user-centric educational tools that enhance learning experiences for both students and educators. This course has laid a strong foundation for me to build upon, and I'm really eager to continue to grow in the field, combining my passion for education and now these new skills within UX design. Thank you. Take care.